Manu, and today we are going to talk about the most important part of any international trip, and that is getting a visa. So, if you're following me, you know that I have got tons and tons of questions on my US and Schengen visa videos that clearly states that all of us are facing the same visa struggles. But I have found something super amazing for you that can make your whole process super smooth and stress less, and that is Atlas. But let me tell you a story first. When I spoke to one of my friends, she was struggling for US visa for so long. I mean, she was trying to find out an appointment, and on the official website, there was no appointment for the next 1.5 years. I mean, that was heartbreaking for her, and she was not ready to pay that hefty amount to the agencies who were charging a big amount, and there was no guarantee that whether they will get the visa, whether there will be any refund. It was just like on word of mouth, and she was like very scared and not willing to pay that much. So I just told her about Atlas. Initially, she was not very sure, but when she visited the website, she trusted me, and later on, she just thanked me because she got her US visa for 10 years. That was a tourist visa, and Atlas company helped her throughout the whole process, starting from getting an appointment to everything was sorted out for her, and she was super happy for that. And I mean, these are the incidents which shows that visa is such an important part of planning any international trip. So now I'm planning my first international trip with my family to Dubai, and this time the visa stress is real, but this time I am stress free because I know Atlas. I just visited the website, added my photo, my passport copy, and certain details, and I got my visa within 2 days. I mean, I was super impressed how easy the process can be. And the best part is the website is so easy to use. So let me just help you how Atlas works. So you have to simply visit the website and just, enter your travel destination and what is your travel date, and then there will be a list of documents you have to see before proceeding, and you do the payment, and voila. So now everything will be sorted out. So if it's a e-visa, very simple visa, you will directly get the visa. In case you have to submit some documents and everything, so getting the appointment, getting the verification done, and they are in touch with you throughout the whole process. And if you want to get in touch with them in any point of time, their customer service is super amazing. I mean, you will not be disappointed, and you can be stress free at any point of time when you are applying for the whole visa process. And this clearly shows that Atlas is a winner. And I have not even talked about the best part. You know how much struggle we go through, but the monetary part of it is also very heavy, the visa cost and all. But the best part of Atlas is if your visa gets rejected, you get the full refund. So no risk and no stress. If you are planning any international trip, you don't have to worry because you know what you have to do. You have to just visit Atlas and everything is now sorted out. So what are you waiting for? Just plan your first international trip because visa part is now sorted. Okay, rest of the part I'll clarify in my other videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment, and we'll see you in the next video.